Hey guys, man, I got a cool one for you today. 1955 Chev. She is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that turquoise paint against that chrome, man. It is popping. That grille looks brand new. All the emblems look brand new. The chrome on the front bumper looks brand new. The bezels on the headlights, the marker lights. I mean, everything about this car is just popping, looking sweet. As you look down the side of it, she's straight as an arrow. All that stainless going down the sides, all nice and bright around the windshield. The vent window chrome's looking good. The chrome on the rear view mirror, side view mirror here. The chrome on the door handle looks new. And look how nice and shiny all of this is. And look at the interior on this baby. Looks like 1955 in there. Looking sweet. And look at this door jamb down in here. Look how nice everything's painted, how nice and clean it is. These are all areas you need to look at when you're buying a car. You can see all the paint work on the dash is looking good. The upholstery's all looking sweet, all looks brand new. That package tray looks brand new. And then look at all the chrome there around the insides of the windows, the bows and the headliner. The dome light windows are working. And then look at that steering wheel, man. The paint on it, the chrome on it. The chrome on the dash, the stainless on the dash, just everything is popping, looking brand new. This is one sweet 55 right here. Now you guys that aren't experts, I'm going to show you a real quick trick. If it's got a gas door like that, it's a 55. Now if it's a 56, the taillight's a little bigger and you got a little turn thing there and it folds down and you put the gas right in there. The chrome on the back bumper is also looking good. That emblem also looks like it's brand new. Inside the trunk, again, looks like it's brand new. If it's got a mat in it, the car you're looking at, make sure you pull up the mat, make sure it looks good under there too. This is looking beautiful. All that wiring's also looking nice and neat. You can see the gutter system around the opening here, all nicely painted. Look at how nice and clean that is. Bottom side of the deck lid's all painted up nice. You always want to check the lips on the deck lid also, make sure they're nice and smooth. You can see they had the latch out when they did the restoration. That's cool. A lot of guys just paint those. When you look down the side of this side, beautiful. And don't forget, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and just about 24 hours a day, so you can call him anytime. He'll tell you all about this beautiful 55, and we'll get this baby parked in your driveway. It's 55 Chev time. Look at this beautiful car, man. I tell you what, look out there on the hood. You can see the reflection of all the trees and the blue sky. Isn't that amazing? You can see blue sky and a green reflection. She is gorgeous. And I tell you, driving smooth as can be. Going down the road nice and straight with no hands on the wheel. Of course, I need to grab the wheel to go through this S-turn. I don't think we've taught a 55 Chevy how to go through an S-turn without your hands on the wheel. Just as smooth as can be, sounding good. Brakes feel good. Now Tom can explain to you exactly how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. All you need to do is give him a call at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about this car, and he can also tell you about financing. If you want some help on financing, no problem whatsoever. There's several bankers we work with. She is one sweet 55, I tell you. And whenever you think of a Tri-5, you always think of the turquoise and white combo, and that's what this one is. She's looking beautiful. take a look down here on the dash. Look at the chrome down there. Look at everything. Just the attention to detail on this car is sweet. Speedo is working. Steering wheel looks like it's brand new. Just everything about this thing is sweet, guys. And that horn's working. Now, we're very close to the airport here in Detroit, so if you'd like to come in and visit and check us out in person, we'd love to have you. And if you are at a car show or something and you see Tom or I at a car show, we love meeting everybody who watches us on YouTube. So come on up and introduce yourself. I'd love to meet you. We do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the internet, so we don't get to meet a lot of our customers, so please, love to meet you. If you want to come in, love to have you come in and check out the car in person. Check out all of our inventory. We've always got new cars coming in. If you need to send an inspector to look at a car, no problem whatsoever. We'll treat that inspector just like we treat you. Now, we're headed back to the shop to do something that nobody else does to every one of their cars in inventory. At Vanguard, every car goes up on the lift. So we're going to show you what the beautiful bottom side of this 55 Chev looks like right now, guys. All right, we're underneath the 55 now. As you can see, completely restored on the bottom side also. We got a brand new tank, we got brand new exhaust. You see we got good looking paint on the frame. The whole floorboard area has been coated with primer just like they did back at the factory. It's got an aftermarket sway bar mounted in here. It's got a stock appearing rear end housing right around the 323 gear, and it is an open rear end. You can see it's got brand new U-bolts here. Looks like fairly new shocks. That cross member looks like it's added also. The frame is all nicely painted. Up here also, we got new bushings here. Everything under here is looking sweet. Looks like brand new parking brake cable here. And look at these mufflers. You want to know why this baby's quiet? These mufflers are about 3 feet long. I'll tell you, first thing I do is put some loud mufflers on this thing, make some noise. Everything under here is looking, it's got a 200 R4 trans. That is a 4-speed automatic. The 265 up front here is a 1955 model for sure. You can see all the steering gears all painted up, looking good. It does have drum brakes up front. It has drum brakes in the back, and the guys pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like we got a re-chrome bumper up front. Looking sweet. Front frame horns are nice and straight. The inner wheelhouses are all nice and clean. You can see they used all new nuts and bolts and everything. We've got good looking Cragars on it. We got two 25/70 15s up front. As you work down the rocker there, you can see how nice and straight the paint work is. And then check out this pinch weld. You can see that it has had a little bit of work done on it, but they did such a nice job, you cannot tell what they did on this car. So a little bit of work has been done on the bottom side. They did a beautiful job. You always want to check these braces here, make sure they're in good shape. We got two 55/70 15s out back. And again, paint work looking sweet and some good looking Cragars. Let's get under the hood. All right, we're under the hood here. We got a 1955 model 265 under here. We verified that with the casting number on the block. Now, it's got a Carter 4-barrel carb sitting on top. It's got what looks like an original intake manifold on it. She does have power steering. That power steering's hooked up to the backside of the generator, just like it was back in the day. It does have power brakes. This is all looks like it's period correct also. You can see the firewall's nicely painted. Looks like the wiper motor has been restored also. It's got a brand new AC Delco battery on it there. I mean, everything under here is clean as can be. The inner wheelhouses are painted nice. The radiator looks like it's a rebuilt unit that's been painted black. Core support looks good. All the chrome up in here is looking sweet. I mean, everything about the car is sharp as can be. And then that 200 R4 under there, getting you in 4th gear so you can get up on the highway and drive it. The car drives awesome. I just did the video on it earlier. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.